gotta hear it, you gotta see it to believe it. Yes, it's the Puppet Show Live.
All these Amish people are just staring at me. I get out in the field, right? And I just start running circles. I'm running circles in this Amish's farm. And I'm laughing. I'm cracking up. I'm just laughing. Why was I having such a good time in the Amish field laughing? Why? The grass was tickling my balls.
Right. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I was the eighth. I bent her over and banged her, and they deleted me from the books. Opa, what do you do? Oh my God, Papa's fucking you.
Look at Bruce Jenner. I used to read all his statistics on a Wheaties box, and now my daughter buys his makeup line. Sick. Met the Kardashians. He had to keep in the fame, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I say fuck that. My front porch is the red carpet. Every time I come out to get my Sunday morning paper, hey midget, can I get a picture? Fuck off, leave me alone. It's a Sunday morning.
It's talk the talk. I walk the walk, right, y'all? I'm walking that grassy field. I'm gonna prove my point. You ready? You ready? No, she don't need a shot for this. Afterwards, she's gonna be sore.
He's a staple gun your nuts?
Oh! Why would you do that, you son of a bitch?
Oh yeah! Let's do it.
In the front row. Come on, give it up for her.